Okay, welcome then to this lesson on adding and subtracting surds. If you haven't watched the previous two videos in this series, the first one's on simplifying surds, second one's on multiplying and dividing surds. You should watch those first. The links to those videos are in the description below. Okay, so here's the starter. Pause the video, have a go, and then come back when you're ready. Okay, welcome back. Remember, if you're simplifying expressions, remember you can only collect together the things that are the same, the like terms. Luckily for us in this first example, all these terms are all x's. And remember, minus x means negative 1x or minus 1x. So 3 add 2 is 5. Add 5 again, that's 10x here. And 10 take away 1 is positive 9. This is 9x. This one, you've got a mixture, part B, you've got a mixture of m's and n's. So look at the m's, remember, and the sign in front. 8m minus 2m is 6m. And look at the n's, you've got 3 plus 7, which is positive 10. All right. And this last one, again, I got a mixture of x's and y's. Do the x's first. 5 take away 7 is negative 2. Remember, this means 1y here. So I got 1y take away 4y. 1 take away 4 is minus 3. All right. This doesn't look like anything to do with surds, but it is. You'll see why now. So here's the examples, right, for adding and subtracting surds. So pause the video, write these down, and then come back when you're ready. Okay, welcome back. See, at the moment on question A, we can't do root 18 add root 2 because they're not like terms. They're not the same. All right. Luckily, though, look at both these surds. Remember, root 2 is dead, isn't it? Okay, you cannot simplify root 2. All right, because it's just a pure surd. But root 18 can be simplified, and you should know from previous videos, I suppose. Remember, root 18 is root 9 times root 2. It's actually 3 root 2. And that's great, look, because now root 18 is 3 root 2. And I'm adding on another root 2. You see that? This here is the root 18 part. Remember, if it helps you, remember there's one here you can't see. So 3 root 2s plus 1 root 2, just overall, is 4 root 2s. Or 4 root 2, because 3 of something plus 1 of the same thing is 4 of the same thing. Same thing with part B. Root 3 is dead. Nothing you can do with this. All right. Let me do a little separator here. Root 75, on the other hand, is very much alive. So root 75, remember, we've done it before. This is 25 times 3. So in the end, it's 5 root 3. So this actually is root 3 here, plus root 75, which is 5 root 3. That's the root 75. And again, 1 of something plus 5 of the same thing is 6 of the same thing. 6 root 3. Again, part C. Root 5, dead. Root 80, alive. So root 80, we've done it before. Remember, the best square number here is 16. It's 16 times 5. So this actually is 4 root 5. So this is 4 root 5 minus 1 root 5. See, here's the root 80 in blue. 4 root 5 minus 1 root 5 is going to be 3 root 5. And lastly, question D is a bit harder because they're both simplifiable. Right? You can simplify both of these surds. Root 27, again, I've done it many times before, is root 9 times root 3. So it's 3 root 3. So this is 3 root 3. I'm running out of colors here, okay? But root 27 is 3 root 3 plus, and root 48, if it helps you, okay, we know it has to be something root 3 to combine with this one. And root 48 actually for us, luckily for us, is 16 times 3, which is lovely. because root 16 is 4. So this is 4 root 3 here. 3 root 3 at 4 root 3 is 7 root 3. All right, so just break each surd down as far as possible, and they should be then ended up in like as the same surd overall. Then you can collect the like terms and you are done. So here's the main task. Okay, my bad. I haven't actually put the challenge question on this presentation, on this video, so ignore that there for me, okay? All right, and have a go at these 12. So pause the video, have a go, and then come back when you're ready for the answers. Okay, welcome back. Here's the answers here. All right, I'll go over them. I'll put them all in yellow to make them stand out for you. All right, so while I'm doing this, you can mark, can't you, as you go along? Here you go. And I did say this one's 0, that's root 3. And I did say, listen, didn't I? There is no challenge, okay? To keep the video short, I've omitted the challenge. So if you mark those, see how you got on, okay? And then we'll go on to the checking question. Okay, here it is. So pause the video, have a go, and come back when you're ready. Okay, welcome back. So I'm going to write this equation down again, right? But we've been asked to solve this now, which means to work out the value of x. Right, so what I'm going to do, remember normally, if I had an equation like this, x plus 3 equals 7, remember to solve for x, I would just take the 3 away, because I'm doing the opposite, okay? And so x will be equal to 7 minus 3, which is 4. Now on this one, okay, I will just take square root of 75 away, do the opposite, okay? So if I take off root 75, I get x is root 300, take away root 75, and now let's hope that both of these surds can be expressed in terms of the same other surd. So let's think about root 300. Now, root 300, I think, is going to be 10 root 3. It is, because it's 100 times 3. So it's 10 root 3. And root 75, well, I know this is in the 25 times table. So this will be 5 root 3. And this is good news, because root 300, see, is 10 root 3. And root 75 is 5 root 3. So I've got 10 root 3 minus 5 root 3. 10 take away 5 is 5. So in the end, my solution is x equals 5 root 3. Okay, so thanks for listening. Thanks for watching. Stay safe. See you soon.